Hey guys, this is Bruce, and this is a network engineer in Miami, Florida, 12 months hire. So, before we start, I want to let you guys know that I have a course below if you're interested in on how I'm able to get all of these offers. I have a method that I use. I've got some free stuff that you can check out, some trial stuff. I've got some stuff that's paid for. I've got a method that I use to get all kinds of IT jobs, all kinds of security jobs, all kinds of remote jobs. It's been working, so I thought I would share it with you guys. It's not very expensive for now, so go ahead and check it out. And if you're interested in this actual job, description of all of it will be in the description below. All right, so let's get into this. And this is coming from eTalent. It's an IT recruiter agency. These guys are great. I would give them your resume. They'll send you tons of stuff all the time if they have your resume. So job title is for a network engineer. Where is it? It's in Miami, Florida. It's 12 months or with a possible extension. And all right, must be bilingual. You must be able to speak Korean and English. So what does the job entail? Description. You're going to manage and maintain firewall switches, routers, and load balancers. You're going to manage core network equipment, upgrades, changes, replacements. You're going to diagnose WAN connectivity issues. You're going to do remote LAN and security and management at various sites. You're going to monitor, maintain, configure network security systems, manage escalators. So this is a pretty hardcore network engineering position that's pretty standard. And let's just get into the requirements. There's more stuff here, but this will all be in the description below so that you guys can check it out. Associate's degree. They're not really a bachelor's degree is preferred, but they're wanting you to know the skills. Like an associate's degree is required, but as long as you know how to do this stuff. CCNA plus is preferred. That means that if you don't have one, but you can do all of this stuff that's required for the job description, they might take you. So it's preferred, but if you don't have one, sometimes they'll hire you in and you could say, hey, I'm about to finish my associate's degree. Boom, they'll hire you. Sometimes you could say, hey, I don't have a CCNA, but I'm working on it. I'm real close to taking the certification. Could you guys, take? And then sometimes they'll be like, yep, sure. No, sometimes they'll even pay for it. Be surprised. Doesn't hurt to ask. 5+ years of experience with WAN and LAN. So they're looking for a pretty serious network engineer. So I mean, like if you speak Korean and you happen to live in Miami, Florida, I would go for this. Okay, of course you have to have networking experience, but I'm saying if you have 2 years networking experience, you know how to do most of the stuff on this list. You're fluent in Korean. You don't have a CCNA. You're close to finishing an associate's degree, or you're in the middle of it. You might want to call them, right? You don't want to call them if you don't know networking, if you don't know IT, but you know Korean. Like, no, that's not gonna work. They want somebody who can do this work, but they need somebody who's bilingual. They're not gonna find a lot of people who can do that. Okay, so if you can do even half this stuff, but you speak fluent Korean, I would go ahead and contact them. And be like, listen, I don't have an associate's degree, but I'm working on it. I'll have it in 6 months. I'm almost done with my degree. I'm a student at NYU, at wherever. I'm very close. I don't have a CCNA, but I'm working. But I have done LAN and WAN for my college or whatever. I'm saying this is an opportunity for you. If you know Korean, I think they're just not going to find a lot of people that can do networking and speak fluent Korean. So there's some leeway for you, and they'll work with you because you're an asset. Okay, fully controlling of network systems. This is one of the requirements. Must have a skill to design, implement, and troubleshoot data networking. Now here's where it gets crazy right here. Multiple routing protocol environments like RIP, Open Shortest Path First, Open Shortest, OSPF is what it's called, EIGRP, BGP, and switching. So like not a lot of, if you know basic networking, a lot of people who know basic networking don't know these things right here. Like unless you've actually dove into like a larger LAN and WAN type environments, like you probably won't know routing protocols. But if you know them, man, that's huge. Manage and advertise and filter 1,000+ routing prefixes. This is pretty serious. Like this is some serious networking stuff going on right here. Firewall, software, VPN, tunnels. Like so, there's a ton of other stuff you need to know here. It's pretty detailed. Bunch of stuff here you need to know. So yeah, if you are interested, I will have all this description, all the contact information below. I would definitely, whether you know this stuff or not, I would definitely contact eTalent Network, especially if you're an IT person. These guys send me stuff all the time. This is one of many people who send me stuff. If you're interested in knowing how to get in IT, how to get in the cybersecurity is my specialty, how to get in the risk management framework, how to have remote jobs in IT. It's exploding. It's blowing up like crazy right now. I have not been without a job unless I've been between jobs. Since 2008. 2008, you know when the banks went bankrupt and like people were getting kicked out of houses and we were in the Great Recession and all that kind of stuff. We were $1 trillion in debt from like all this stuff was happening. You know what happened to me? Nothing. I got a raise because they need IT security guys. So I mean, yeah, there was some, it was harder. Like my house payment was through the roof, but I could afford to pay for it. So I'm saying, like, I have not had a bad. All these, like, a lot of people complain about the economy and the president is doing X, Y, and Z. Like, I'm not worried, and the reason why is because IT is hot. IT security is hot. I'm worried for other people. This is a incredible market for IT security. It's just we don't have enough people, so they're scrambling to get people. If you know this stuff, if you follow me, you'll hear me every week after week, telling you guys about jobs. And I hope that somebody's listening so that you can either apply for these jobs or follow my course or follow somebody else's course. Learn it however way you learn it. Like learn it and get in the door. Okay. It just so happens that I will show you how to get in the door. If you keep following me, you'll see I'll have courses and stuff that show you from scratch how to do it. You can enroll in the link below. Follow me or just for free, just watch me on a regular basis, and I'll drop stuff every now and then. All right, see you guys later on the next one. If I could find it. Where's the next one?